In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your IQIYI app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version that comes with this movie app, and also you'll be able to fix any problem that might be associated with your IQIYI app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get the latest version of IQIYI app, you need to go ahead and find the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. If you're on iPhone, for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here. And then using this search icon, just go ahead and search the app by its name. And I'll search using the search bar here. And you can see our app is here. To update it, go ahead and tap on Update. This will go ahead and download the latest version of IQIYI app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you can update your IQIYI app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.